Okay, real talk. You've been crushing on this guy for weeks, maybe even months. Your heart races every time he walks in. You rehearse conversations in your head. You know his Starbucks order, his laugh, instant serotonin. And yet, you haven't told him how you feel. Why? Because rejection is terrifying. But also, what if he likes you back? Today, we're going deep. I'm talking step by step. How to tell your crush you like him without it getting weird, awkward, or turning into a rom-com disaster. Let's go? Before you shoot your shot, let's figure out if you're playing a winning game. Here are a few signs he might be into you too. He finds reasons to talk to you, even when he doesn't have to. He remembers tiny, random things you've said, like your favorite snack. He mirrors your energy, smiling when you smile, leaning in when you talk. And this is the big one. He treats you differently than other people. If some of these sound familiar, you might just be standing at the edge of something amazing. Telling your crush you like him takes guts. Confidence isn't about pretending you're not nervous. It's about showing up anyway. Try this. Ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? Most of the time, it's just a little awkwardness, not the end of the world. You liking someone is a gift. It means you see something special in them. That's powerful. And hey, even if it doesn't go your way, you'll grow. You'll learn. You'll glow. Confidence is quiet. It's in the eye contact, the smile, the way you carry yourself. And you've got that in you. Okay, here's the heart of it. How to actually tell him. I've got 3 tried and tested ways. Choose the one that fits your vibe. Option 1, the direct approach, if you're brave AF. Hey, I just wanted to say I really enjoy spending time with you. I've kind of had a crush on you for a while. Simple, honest, no games. Option 2, the casual hint, if you're testing the waters. Drop a light tease like, you know, you'd totally be my type if I were crushing on someone right now. Then gauge his reaction. If he flirts back, green light. If he dodges, cool, you played it smooth. Option 3, the message method, if face-to-face is too much. A well-written text or voice message can work wonders. Something like, so I've been thinking, I actually really like you. Just wanted to put it out there. No pressure. That gives him space to react, and you control the timing. Whichever route you take, own it. Say it with a smile, not an apology. Now you've said it. What next? If he likes you back, congratulations, this is your rom-com moment. Just don't overthink it. Go with the flow. Keep hanging out. Get to know him deeper. Build something real. If he doesn't feel the same, it's okay to feel bummed. But be proud. You were brave. That's more than most people can say. Don't let one no define your worth. The right person will see you and feel lucky to be seen by you. And remember, sometimes it's not a yes or no, it's a not yet. Life's weird like that. So, what would you do? Would you go direct or drop hints first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you've ever confessed to a crush, tell us how it went. We want to hear the good, the bad, and the awkward. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Share it with someone crushing hard. And don't forget to subscribe for more real talk like this. You got this? Go get your person.